No.
That was amazing. Oh, no.
Look at it.
Don't cut yourself sometime.
I won't.
Why don't people like put cool decorations on their boats? Just
Why?
look, it ran into something right there. Oh, look,
Happy River, yeah.
I'm recording right now, but look, it ran into something. Ow, my elbow.
Boy, did he ever run into something. Look at the side of it.
What did he hit?
Great. Probably actually through here before.
Where's the water level go up onto this one? Right there? Where that yellow line is?
I hear water.
I don't know.
There's still a meter.
Oh, this.
The wood pumps are going. See where it says H? One there, and there's one back there.
Why? Is this full of water?
Yeah, that's
It's
how.
gonna dump the water to come up. See the front of the boat right there? See the torpedo on the back?
Oh, he's waving.
Because this is shallow, so you have to dump a bunch of water as it comes up.
So they have water to deep down over here, but they have to start dumping to get over there.
Happy River.
The other guy didn't have to do that.
Look at how big the tower is on this one compared to the last one.
Yeah.
A lot taller. Hey, you can actually smoke on this ship apparently. Rather than the other ship, it said no smoking.
This boat's built specifically to hold those cranes.
SML. SML. Yeah, how come it doesn't tip? Because these are really heavy cranes, aren't they?
There's two cranes over here. Cranes on the other side. And that's unloaded.
I don't know.
Or
That thing can lift 400 tons. Each one of those can lift 400 tons.
Jeez. So how much do you think those things weigh?
Probably 2.
2 tons?
200.
200 tons.
Oh, 200.
Is this a windmill?
Yeah, they're windmill towers.
Yeah, they're windmill towers.
They're bigger than I thought.
Yeah.
See that fat one there's the base, and the ones on the front that taper down,
And then see, it gets skinnier up at the top.
only on that one, them ones.
Yeah.
Those are different.
Those are the top ones.
Those are the bottom ones.
Bottom?
The big ones are the bottom.
Yeah, and then these ones which get big and then skinny are the top ones.
Bottom, second, top. Holy cow, look how wide that is.
Oh, look how close it is touching the edge.
The water's coming out of the ship onto the dock. The water's coming out of the ship onto the dock.
They're just hitting the dock now.
Oh, over there. Got it.
Really straight from some. Straight from the bottom.
Yeah, he hit something hard there. Look, imagine being that close to a ship. That big. Yeah, he hit something there too, man. Look, all the black.